PSL Pulse bafethu is the Betway Premiership. Sekhukhune 0, Orlando Pirates ezimnyama ngenkalazi kaMagebhula 0. Bakaniya mfethu before siqala mfethu ngicela ungitshele igama lakho bani igama mfethu.
Oh Mamudumo Max Mathapo.
Kuba unjetse ka game yathu re abutwaka uyibone jwang?
Re dadile mnati just national luck at goal and still was still trusting or Bagania is going to take the lead because the way the Batalanga is nice. I'm happy and I can see everybody's happy. It's just the goal today. It was not our luck because more football, everything is all about goals. So if you don't disagree goal, so but I'm satisfied today.
My brother Kupa unjetse game today. I'm seeing a game of two halves actually. Orlando Pirates came gun blazing in the second half. They created a whole lot of chances. What is it that the coach did right in the second half?
No, I didn't right. Police more but Sebelebe today Nasar Fintwe Rinyaga. So but we are gonna performance today still is the best. It's just we are lacking the goals.
Let me ask you, while you are talking about lacking the goals, Orlando Pirates created a whole lot of chances, but Bashotileka final product, which is the finishing. Do you think Orlando Pirates missed Mabasa?
No, yeah, we need Sekhukhune Mabasa because Mabasa is our target man. If Oliver Mahopa, we are committed. So if I let the military grab ball, I remote to go. So they must bring Mabasa back. Hey, that's why we can get the goals.
Today. A player
Pirates.
Between Pirates and Sekhukhune, your man of the match for today.
Our man of the match today is Siama is our man, is my man of the match.
All right. Before 2 trophies left before we wrap up the season: Nedbank Cup and the Orlando and the Betway Premiership. How should Orlando Pirates talk at Sekai?
Personally, chance both often. Can I tell you when the coach arena? Can I tell you still are going to take that 2 cups left?
Thank you, my brother.